Go ahead and turn them on. Alright, so today we're going to try and take care of a lighting problem that we have with the 97 ZJ. So this company, Auxito, they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try out some of their LED headlights, and I said sure. However, both my WJ and my WK, they already have LED headlights in them. But I thought, you know, what could really use some good, some new headlights is Joe's Red ZJ. Because that thing still has like the original bulbs and they're pretty dim. Can't tell, but it's off the edge there. So anyway, so they sent a set of bulbs here that should fit the ZJ. And so we're going to give them a try and see how they work out. Alright, let's check these out. So, comes in this nice little box here. Alright. It's pretty nice. Alright, so these are the 9004 HB1, and according to the information that they gave me, they should plug right into the 97 Grand Cherokee. Alright, so we'll go ahead and get these installed in the ZJ, and then we'll show you the difference between the before and after. So we got the driver's side with the new Auxito LED light, and the passenger side is the original. Go ahead and turn them on. Oh wow. Yeah, that is significantly brighter. Oh yeah. Hold on a second. And you can see the difference on the wall there too, just in the... These are also a lot whiter, so the color temperature is a lot, you know, brighter as well. Whereas the original lights are that yellowy that you get from the old halogens. These are a lot whiter and brighter lights. So we'll go ahead and get the other one put in, and then I'll show you a side-by-side comparison driving down the road too.
Wow. I didn't think that it would be quite that much of a difference. These are amazing. Even on the trail, like that one time that I couldn't see the covert. Yeah. Never liked to will at night. This might be a game changer. Oh, I'll keep them.
Yeah. Alright, so that is way brighter than those other ones were.
If you have an old ZJ, that's a must.
Yeah,
upgrade.
Definitely a nice upgrade for this old Jeep. So what do you think of those lights?
I like them.
Alright, cool. Alright, so I hope the video conveyed that, the difference in those lights, but yeah, it was like night and day difference between the new Auxito LED bulbs and the original halogens that were in that. So Joe's off on his way, and we'll be seeing a lot better at night thanks to those bulbs. Thanks again to Auxito for sending us those bulbs to try out. And if you want to get your own LED bulbs, you can follow the link in the description and get 15% off of anything at Auxito's site. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.